Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin Forerunner 255 to Wi-Fi. First, ensure your watch is sufficiently charged and within a good range of your Wi-Fi network. Hold the Up button on your watch to open the main menu. From there, scroll down and select Connectivity, and then choose Wi-Fi. This is the crucial first step to setting up a reliable and fast connection for your device. Once you're in the Wi-Fi menu, you'll want to select the option that says Add Network. Your Forerunner 255 will then begin scanning for all available Wi-Fi networks in your vicinity. Take a moment to review the list that appears and carefully select your preferred Wi-Fi network from the options displayed. This step ensures you're connecting to the correct and secure network. After selecting your network, the watch will prompt you to enter your Wi-Fi password. Use the up and down buttons to navigate through characters and the Start/Stop button to select them. It might take a moment, but accuracy is key here. Once entered, confirm the password, and your watch will attempt to establish a connection. A successful connection will be indicated shortly. Finally, look for a confirmation message on your watch screen, indicating that the Wi-Fi connection was successful. With Wi-Fi enabled, your Forerunner 255 can now automatically sync your activity data and download software updates much faster, without needing your phone nearby. This provides a seamless experience, ensuring your device is always up to date and your data is backed up efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.